wisdom is knowing what feels right and helps a situation, what feels good, what helps diffuse a situation and improve a situation. So that's what wisdom is, and that takes knowledge and practice and experience. Okay, that's what I've learned. And just like driving, we don't want to encroach or smother another car, or we don't want to do that to another person. We want to give other vehicles space to drive safely and easily through the roads and through traffic. Similarly, plants need space to grow, typically, not always actually, to be honest, and maybe to flourish and thrive to the maximum. That's probably true. But humans need space to feel their emotions and to process their emotions. So if we smother people with words and interrupt and butt in and interject, etc., 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 that only doesn't help them. It doesn't help. Okay? So wisdom, like I said, going back to the beginning, is knowing and doing what helps and what improves, okay, and what heals. So yeah, that's all I want to say in this video. Hope it helps. Lots of love. Give it a share, not from me, but for other people to learn this lesson. So to help promote global healing, global wellness. Lots of love. Owen Fox from Ireland here. Wishing you a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for learning. Thanks for being open.